Hey everybody, it's Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and in this short video I want to inspire you to stack patches on headwear to create unique results for your clients. We're here at the Hotronix 360 IQ, the world's #1 hat press, heats from top and bottom, that applies patches easily with a durable result. I'm pressing onto this foam trucker cap from Auto, and because heat's coming from the bottom, flip that sweatband out, load it onto my machine, and lock it into place. From there, we're going to start building my patch stack. And before I get into all of that, I want to call out a few different materials. One is our CAD Prints sublimated texture twill. So this is a full color textured twill, herringbone texture, makes it really easy to do full color logos. So we're going to use that for our high school name of Franklin. I also have just a traditional permatwill fabric that's been cut out of a star design that we're going to add. And then I have the Franklin U logo in a PVC patch. And so all three options we're going to apply on the cap. Let's show you how to do it. First things first, I'm just going to kiss the heater against the surface of the foam cap so I can lay out my design. I'll lay the sublimated twill design down first, letting it get some good contact. Then I'm going to take a piece of Thermo-Tape here on the side, and I'm going to grab the star design on the very edge where it's not going to impact anything else. And I'm going to tape that out to the corner of my cap here, just enough so the tape's not going to get in the pressing area. Then I'm going to use the weight of the PVC patch, lay it right over top of my design, and if I need to do any fine adjustments, I can still slide that patch underneath. And I'm creating my stack so I can apply everything all at once. So as a final step, I'll take one last piece of Thermo-Tape. I'm going to tape it down over all the design to make sure everything is secured in place. There is sublimation on this background image that I don't want to come through to my more expensive foam cover pad. So I'm going to cover it all with a piece of backing paper, wax paper. Could use any type of cover sheet there that you're willing to dispose of, butcher paper, and then I'll lay my pad on. Now, with my full stack, I'm ready to lock it down all together. 280 degrees on top, 320 degrees on bottom, 30 to 45 seconds, or whatever the dwell time is for the longest patch that is in your stack there, and then the machine will automatically open to reveal our design. So about 10 seconds left, we'll count it down, and then we'll peel. When you're dealing with foam truckers, they're very sensitive, so you want to be careful not to touch the foam part of the cap, or it might leave an indent from your fingerprint in it. So I will remove the cap. I'm going to let it cool completely down before I start to remove the tape. I can come back and peel that a bit later. Now that the cap has cooled down, we'll go ahead and grab our tape, and we will release it, revealing our completed design. And so you can see 3 layers of patches and fabric stacked together. We have the background CAD Prints textured twill available from Stahls with a $25 minimum order. Full color design. We have just a design element here with this star in our Permatwill, which is a permanent adhesive without any stitching. That works great on fleece as well, in addition to hats. And then we have our ever popular PVC patch, which adds a ton of style and dimension. Stack these all together, get creative, set up a hat bar, let your clients experience the product, or create something that's unique that they've never seen before to drive more profit to your business. All with the Hotronix 360 IQ. Thanks for watching.